Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your Billie subscription. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight to the video. Alright, in my notes here I've highlighted a few different ways. So the first way is via the Billie app. So open the Billie app on your mobile device and log into your account. From there, tap on your profile icon or menu, usually in the bottom or top left hand corner. Look for subscriptions or manage subscriptions in account settings and then follow the prompts to cancel your subscription. You might need to confirm the cancellation and provide a reason. The second way is to go to the official website of Billie and then make sure to log into your account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon or name and go to account settings or manage subscriptions. Find the option to cancel your subscription and follow the detailed instructions to complete the process. So if you're still having troubles cancelling or prefer to cancel through support, so there's a few different ways here: email, support and contact form. So you can send an email to support@mybillie.com with your request to cancel your subscription. Include your account details for quicker processing as well. And they've got a contact form. So go to mybillie.com/pages/contact and fill out the contact form, your request to cancel your subscription. And on a side note, be sure to cancel before your next billing date to avoid being charged for the next period. Review Billie's cancellation policy on their website to understand any potential fees or notice periods required for cancellation.